Hello. Yes, I'm in my car. I tried to do like a little intro video at home, but my cats were acting like lunatics and I kept having to stop and like pry them apart because they were playing and being really loud. But texts. Yeah, it just was completely disjointed, and then I ran out of memory on my camera and I had to go, so I just was like, forget it. But I am going to be bleaching my hair today, like full on, full head, extreme bleaching. I want my hair like freaking white, so should be interesting. My friend Ashley, whose hair I permed and also recently dyed, I dyed her hair. She didn't die. She was going to be bleaching my hair, but she has to work. So my mom is gonna help me, and my mom hates being on camera. So I don't know how much of the initial bleaching I will get video of, but I will try my best, and I will definitely pop in with some updates. I just took a little trip to Sally's to pick up some toner, and yeah, I am headed over to my mom's now. We're gonna get a bleaching. I'm very excited. I did a test strand when I did Ashley's hair. It's with only 20 volume. Oh, you can kind of see it up there. It's with 20 volume, and it got pretty light. I left it on for an hour, so I'm gonna be doing 30 volume for my full head. Of course, following old Brad Mondo's tips, not going to the root. We're gonna do it in sections. I'm gonna try and do everything the right way. So hopefully this turns out great. We're also using foils. I've got hair treatments. I spent a lot of money. I know I could have gotten it done professionally, but I just want to do it on my own. I did a disclaimer in my last video. I am not doing this because I just think I can do a better job, or because I don't respect people who've gone to school forever to learn how to do these things properly. It's just because I enjoy watching videos and learning how to do something and then doing it on my own. I just think it's really fun. So here we go. Let's get into this hair dyeing. See, I'm like naturally a dirty blonde. My hair is very fine, but I have a lot of it, so we'll see how it goes. We did the bottoms first, and then we just did the roots. I got some on my face, so my eye is burning, but things are looking pretty good. It is lifting a lot. I know I'm gonna have to do my ends more than once though, because I've been dyeing my hair dark forever, but looks good. All right. I expected this to happen. My mom's watching TikToks. Very light roots. And basically red hair, strawberry blonde. And we're about to go again. Round 2 is on. I have good feelings. I have saran wrap on my head. Alright, so here it is. It's a very light, pale orange. And actually, it's hard to tell if something's light enough to tone because they say it needs to be light enough, but I can't tell if it's light enough because of the color, but I feel like it's pretty freaking light, and I don't think my hair could handle another bleaching, so we are just gonna tone it. I got T14 and T18 to mix, and I did talk to a professional, and that's what they suggested when they looked at my test strand. So, yeah, Mom! I'll probably check back in tomorrow after my hair's all done and I've had a chance to style it. Are you guys ready for this? So, it's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. Like, I could see this being a look that somebody purposefully gets, so it doesn't look like I messed up, which is nice. But it definitely needed to be lighter. I've been dyeing my hair dark for a really long time, so I'm not surprised at how it turned out at all. My hair also naturally has a lot of red pigments in it, so I expected this to a degree. However, what I did not expect was how my hair would feel after just 2 dyes, because I've bleached my hair before. However, I don't know if I bleached it twice in one day before. When I was a kid, I had like bleached hair all the time, and like 5 years ago I bleached my head and did the whole like gray hair thing, so maybe it didn't need to be as white. I had somebody else do it then as well. So for this being an at-home dye job, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. I think my initial disappointment came from having a vision and then it not being an achievable vision at the moment. I wanted it to be all this color, this very white color, which I know is achievable at some point, just not right now. But for how it looks right now, I think it looks cute. This little strawberry blonde with these light roots. It doesn't look bad. Like, I'm happy and I will feel good walking around like this, and I feel cute. In the next month probably though, I will cut my hair to about here. I'm gonna cut off these bottom pieces and put in some layers. I want it to be above my shoulders, I think. And then I will probably be able to lighten these pieces that are a little bit too dark up here, and then I'll have the look I wanted. Just when we were doing the second bleach, my hair literally got hot. Like, it wasn't burning my scalp or anything because we didn't go up to the scalp the second time, but I touched it in the saran wrap that we had it in, and my hair was like burning. So I went and washed it out, and my hair just felt like, my mom called it ramen noodles that you forgot about and left in the microwave that then soaked up all the water. So yeah, that's what my hair felt like, and we were done. Like, we had to tone it, but then that was all we did to it because my hair was literally going to melt off, and down here feels pretty horrible, but from here, from like here up, it feels good and it feels healthy. So it's just the ends that are pretty freaking rough. So since I'm gonna cut my hair, I think I'll be able to go in again with bleach. I'm just gonna wait a little while. I did it twice with 30 volume. When I go in and do these pieces, I'm only gonna use 20. So I think it'll turn out how I wanted it to eventually. But with me starting a new job on Monday, I'm okay with this. It could have been so much worse. I probably should have waited, but I'm very impatient, and once I get an idea in my head and decide I want to do it, I need to get it done. So I think it looks cute. I think it makes my eyes pop quite a bit. And it's just fun. I wanted to do something fun with my hair. I was getting so bored with it. I was just kind of hating my hair. I was wearing it up in a bun like every day. I was just feeling so bored. And right now I feel fun. And know, able to express myself a little bit more. I'm wanting to do some fun colors, but it may be a while before I'm able to do that. So yeah, I'm not mad at this. I think it looks good. Also, I think it's so interesting that I have some of these like strawberry pieces going all the way up in random spots, because my hair dye was probably not to here, like grown out to there. The dark brown I was using, maybe a little higher, but some of these pieces go like all the way up, which looks intentional. Like it looks like maybe I have low lights. I don't know. Maybe I'm just saying that to make myself feel better, but I just think it's really interesting that some of these pieces go all the way up. We probably didn't saturate them enough, but I think I look all right. Yeah, so thank you so much for following me on this little journey. There will be more to come. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you, Mom, for helping me do this. And I will see you guys soon. I love you.